Greetings to the NGH members. I'm so excited about this conference coming up in August. It's a conference that I have attended and spoken at every one since 1989 except one. And I look forward to this one because it's going to be the most unique one I've ever done. And it's going to be about how to live longer by being healthy. How to be healthy by being aware of the subconscious mind's communication to our mind and our body. Do you know cortisol starts increasing as you start feeling some stress, some worries, some concerns, and it goes to a certain part of the body. Maybe stress to the chest, maybe fears to the abdominal area, maybe worries to the head. And I'd like to teach you how to become aware of that. I have an excellent handout too. It's about 12 pages long, but you'll find some time to read it later. And I'm going to speak to you in the first part of the workshop how this theory of mind works to teach your clients how to live longer, be healthier, feel better with life. The second part of the workshop, I'm going to share with you a technique that's going to create an awareness what part of the body a certain emotion or feeling goes to. Think of your own body. Think of your body and what it feels, what it experiences. Bring it to me to this conference Friday at 11 o'clock, and I promise you that I'm going to teach you a technique how to let it go. I look forward to seeing you then. I wish you well. Thank you.